In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balances in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool that helps businesses manage their finances with ease. Whether you're setting up your accounts for the first time or making adjustments to existing ones, ensuring that your opening balances are accurate is a key step in maintaining reliable financial records. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can update or add opening balances in QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to get started with your own account. Let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're logged in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen there. You'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Settings menu, which provides access to various tools and options for managing your QuickBooks account. Next, from the options displayed in the Settings menu, select the one labeled Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all your financial accounts are listed, and it's the place you'll need to go to either update an existing account or create a brand new one. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, locate the account that you want to update. You can use the search bar to quickly find it if you have a long list of accounts. If you're setting up a new account instead, simply click on the New button, which should also be visible on this page. After locating the account or creating a new one, click on the account name. This will open the Account Details page, where you can view and edit the specific settings for that account. Now, look for the field labeled Opening Balance. This field is where you'll input the starting balance for the account. It's important to ensure that this amount reflects the correct balance as of your start date in QuickBooks. Go ahead and enter the correct opening balance amount in the Opening Balance field. Double-check the amount to make sure it's accurate before proceeding. Finally, once you've entered the balance, click on the Save button to store your changes. QuickBooks Online will update the account with the new opening balance, and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.